Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you 6 simple hacks to be able to clear up a ton of storage on your Android phone. Now, let's first just head into the settings. The first place we're going to look is to make sure we've deleted all of the trashed files. And it's fairly easy to do that. We can just scroll down once you're in your settings, and you'll be able to see here is device care. Now, I'm on a Samsung Galaxy. If you're on a different Android phone, it might just say storage. So tap on that and then tap on storage. The first thing we will do is scroll to the bottom and we're going to look for trash. This is fairly easy because it will identify trashed files in the Files app or gallery, all of those different places. You can tap at the top right and add it to the home screen if you wanted to quickly be able to get here. But let's go through the process of deleting all these. So I'm going to hit select and then all, and then I'll tap on delete all, and it will delete out all of those files and removed everything from the trash. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to hop out of here and we're going to go to the Google Play Store. We're going to identify apps that you don't use regularly and then just delete those apps, and we can sort them in Google Play Store. So tap on your profile at the top right. And now from here, let's tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now, at the very top, let's tap on Manage, and you'll be able to see all of the apps on your Android phone. However, instead of recently updated, let's tap on that filter, and we're going to go with least used. Essentially, these are apps that you don't really use on your Android phone, and you can easily and cleanly go through all of these that you don't use, and then hit that trash can icon, and then just hit uninstall. Now keep in mind, some of these won't be able to uninstall if they're core apps that are built into your Android phone, but you can go through this list and uninstall lots of them that you don't use. The next thing we're going to do is hop out of here and find duplicate apps on your Android phone to help free up space. To be able to do that, let's swipe up and we're going to search for the Google Files app. So if you have an Android phone, it might have the My Files app, which is for Samsung, but we're going to go to the Google Files app. It's that little blue files folder. Now, once we're in here, we'll be able to find all of those duplicates and delete them just by tapping on those 3 lines at the top left. And now you can see clean at the very top. Let's tap on that. And you can see junk files that I can go through and clean. Just tap on clean and clear those temporary junk files, which really helps, but also delete duplicate files. So let's hit select. And now on here, all we need to do is tap on all duplicates and then move to trash and move to trash. Now we're going through the process of deleting all sorts of things on here, and let's go to your trash here and we'll fully delete it permanently from your trash. Now we've gone through and deleted lots of things and freed up lots of space, but let's go through the process of freeing up even more space. However, before we do that, if this helps you so far, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, make these videos completely free, and it's completely free to you to just hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys. Now from here, we're gonna swipe back up and go back into our settings. When your settings, let's hit the back button until you get to storage. If you're not already there, you just tap on device care and then manage storage. And now from here, let's hit the show more. You can see documents, video, etc. Let's tap on show more, and then you can see other files. Just tap on other files. If there's anything in here, either invisible backups or pending files, you can see almost 15 megabytes of pending files and uncategorized files. You can tap on the select button, and then we're going to go through and delete all of these if it lets us. Sometimes it won't let us delete all of these files, so try to go through this process. Let's hit select all and see if it will let us delete them. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't, depending on that specific file. So try to go through the process of deleting those. And then while we're at here, let's go back and tap on audio files. Again, you might not necessarily need any of these, so you can just press and hold and select all of them and hit delete all of those audio files. You can do the same thing for videos or images or documents, in addition to installation files and compressed files. Now, After you've done that, you can see apps here, taking up 25 gigabytes worth of data. Let's tap on that, and we've already gone through the process of deleting apps that we don't use regularly. However, you'll be able to see some apps that we do use regularly take up a ton of space. So let's tap on the filter icon, and then sort by size here. And now on any of these that are taking up a lot of space, you can see Instagram and Facebook taking up lots of space. I can tap on it, and all I need to do is then tap on storage, and then I'm just going to clear the cache. You can see about 286 megabytes worth of cache. I'm going to just hit clear, and then I'll do the same thing for Facebook. Just tap on that, go to storage, and hit clear cache. So go through the process of any app that is really big, clear that cache. Keep in mind, some of the apps, when you go in there, it won't give you the ability to clear up a ton of cache because it's in the app size. You can see this is 2 gigabytes, but it has barely any cache, only 8 kilobytes worth of data. Now, after you've done all of these, you'll be able to see, if I go back out of here, a system storage. You can see 18.7 gigabytes, and it doesn't allow me to tap on it. It doesn't allow me to tap on system here. And it doesn't really allow me to delete that out. Really, the only way to delete out system storage is to hop out of here, and then we're gonna press and hold on the power button, and then just hit restart and restart your phone. This sounds simple, but this is the only way to help free up that system storage, is just to restart your Android phone every once in a while. And now you've freed up tons of space on your phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit that subscribe button down below. Again, it really helps me out. Thank you guys.